We have some white-winged doves in our backyard that don't let the other birds feed on the feeder. They're big bullies. The white-winged doves are very large. They're as large as a pigeon, so they scare the other birds off. These kinds of birds usually play nice and let each other feed at the feeder at the same time. I'm hoping that the noise of my drone flying over will scare them off so they won't come back as soon. The trees back here by the back porch are usually where they congregate. I don't see any right now. The noise of the drone flying over must have already scared them off. Well, I don't see any anywhere right now. They must really be afraid of this drone. I'll have to do this again. Thank you for watching me chase birds with my drone.